Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, if you're new here, my name is Chellen and this is Bam and Why. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make this beautiful balloon column. It's very colorful and this is actually requested by one of our subscribers. And shout out to this subscriber, Masha Ariani. With that said, please stick around and I will show you how. So now we'll start off with inflating our balloons. So different colors of balloons here. And I am using, some of them is 12 inches, some of them is 11 inches. So with that said, we inflate this using our balloon inflator here. So once you got those, here it is, you put this together. Here it is. I made a bunch of this already, inflated. And here you go guys, we got some of our balloons here, already paired up. Alright guys, so let's start this. With that said, I already paired up all the balloons here and it's total of 28 balloons. As I said, it's inflated to 8 inches. So you just have to grab any color right here. So I'll put this here. So I'm gonna show you two ways on how to connect your balloon into a balloon column stand. Is some people, or most of the time I do it like this. One here and on top, and then you twist it like that. Now it's attached to your stand. Some people, they do it like this way. They put one here and then just put this here and then just push it down and it's there. So you can do either or, okay? So with that said, let's just connect them everywhere. So whichever is easier for you. So it's as easy as that. There's your balloon column. Okay. With that said, we will add our sticky right here. Just stretch, and then we will pump this. Like that. I will make a bunch of this. With that said, I pre-made all of this right here. Pre-made all of this 260 cube, and it's very colorful. And somehow we'll put this on the top right here, so it's really colorful. All right. So with that said, I'm just gonna connect all our 260 cube. So grab the tip right here, and then just attach them like that. Doesn't matter what color. Alright guys, so after we pair this up like this, we can put this in between your balloon right here. Now you just have to bend this like that. Some of them you shape. You can manipulate your 260 cube into different shape. Alright guys, so after we shape them like that, you can just put this here, stick this in here, the tip, like that, anywhere you wanted it to. Alright guys, so after this I'm going to be using some of the balloon glue dots here. So you just have to add some of your balloons right here and stick one up here. So balloon glue dots, because now it's getting crowded. Alright guys, so I have some of this, I cut them short, and this will be on the top. So again, we'll just put some glue dots on the top right here. There you go guys, our project is finally done. I hope you guys like this. And once again, this is very colorful, good for opening a store or any party, for kids especially. And I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please give us some comments, like and subscribe. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Once again, this is FamMNY. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys. See you later. Thanks. Bye.